Hi guys, your thumbnail should be more better than your video, because if your thumbnail is that good, more people will click on your video and the number of views will increase. So, do you want to make thumbnails like me? And they're not just normal thumbnails, they're made by AI. So, watch the video till the end, and I hope you enjoy this video. So, we'll just simply go to our browser and we'll type Canva and then enter. Then we'll click on the first link. When you finish signing up from Canva, then just click on the create a design button and then click on YouTube thumbnail. If YouTube thumbnail is not showing, then just type YouTube thumbnail on the search bar. And then we need a unique background, a cool and unique background, funny characters and stuff. So for that, we'll just simply go to Lexica, type in the search bar Lexica, shocked man. Then we will find a good shocked man image and add it to our thumbnail. Okay guys, so I made up my mind and I saw this image which is really good, a cartoon character which is shocked. So let me just click on it and you can click on the download button of which image you like. And then now we need something funny, so I will just go to the search bar and make some changes. I'll just type Mr. Bean, shocked Mr. Bean. They all are very good and funny. Should I download this one? Or should I download this one? It is very good. Okay, so I'll download this one because it's very cute and stuff. So let me just click on it. I'll click on the download button. Do the same thing for your images. What images you like, just copy what I'm doing. Okay, now we need a good and unique background. So I'll just type sky background. Then find and choose a good background like me. Okay, so this image is really good, the background image. So let me just click on it. Click on the download button. And now when you got everything, just go to the browser again and type in the search bar remove.bg. We need to remove the background of our funny characters because we don't want to add the background, it will look weird. So click on the upload image button, choose the image which you downloaded, okay, then click on the download button. Then let me do it again for my other image. Then once you finish downloading everything, let's go back to Canva. Then we'll go to upload button and then you click on the upload files button and choose the images which you downloaded. You click on the open button. Then drag your background image to the page and then you can edit it with the corners or with the icons. It's already adjusted, and if you're feeling hard to adjust it, just click on the three dots and click on set image as background. And now the image is set as background. Now we need a square. In most of my images I add some square behind the text. So then let me just do that. Go to elements and search on the elements. A square. And click on the shapes. We'll just click on see all and see. Then we'll just simply click on the square and drag it. And then adjust it the same way with the corner icons. Okay, so we'll just change the color because this is not a matching color. And most of my videos I adjust the color with the background color like this because it's eye-catching. You can do the same thing like me, but I also do something else. I'll just choose red color right now, and I'll just change it the color to a little dark. Okay, so it's done, and let me just duplicate the square again. Okay, and now we need a text, so we'll just go to text button, click on add a heading, and I'll just type thumbnails. I'll adjust the size of the text, click on the plus button. And then the font isn't really not good, so I'll click on the Canva Sans and choose the type of font which I like. I'm mostly using Lilita one, which is really good, but I can stick with that or choose something else. Choose the type of font which you like. Okay, so I just type in the search bar banger because in YouTube, while I was watching cartoons, I saw my favorite AI YouTuber put this type of font. I mean, while I was watching the video, this font was showing, so I wanted to try it. So once you've chosen your font, edit your text. Okay, and it's a little dark, so let me just make it white color. And then I want to add an outline for it, so I'll just click on effects and outline. Make the thickness at least 100. A black color. And then I'll adjust the background square. Okay, I'll do the same thing for the other. So let me just duplicate the text. And this time I'm going to use yellow color. So let me just click on the yellow color. It's not that much appealing, the yellow color, so let me just adjust the color. Make it a little dark. Okay, so now you can also go back to elements and take the square again and adjust it, or you can just click on the square and just duplicate it and do the same thing, adjusting it. I'll keep this color black now. Okay, so I have adjusted the square and texts and stuff, and the background is a little dark, so let me just click on it. Once you have clicked your background, just click on edit photo and you just click on adjust. Then when you click on adjust, you just have to adjust the temperature, I mean the brightness, the contrast, and also highlights. Last but not least, saturations. As you can see, once you finish editing, our image is really light and good, so it's awesome. And now we will just put some of our thumbnails. The topic what you choose, put images or whatever you want to make it more catchy. So I got some thumbnails already, so let me just stick it here. I mean drag it here. Okay, so we have finally adjusted our image and it's perfect. Now we'll just add our funny characters. So let's click on upload files. Okay, so I've gotten my character, so let me just put him here. Let me just select this all text and stuff. Wait, but let me just delete this and then select it. We need to put it up so we have some space for our characters. Okay, so I think that's good. Now let's add our characters. Okay, that's good. And let's add that funny Mr. B. Once you've done that, then I'm gonna add an arrow showing that what is the results and stuff. So let me just type arrow on the element space. Click on the graphics. Okay, so the characters are not that much appealing, so let's just edit the photos. Do the same thing over and over and again for your other characters also. Okay, now it's light and bright. Now I want to add some borders or lines for my image, so I'll just type lines and click on see all. Get this line. And then I will just adjust it. Just zoom in. So after like almost 5 minutes, I've been working very hard and I have made my thumb. So guys, you have to work hard for your thumbnail. And thank you for clicking this thumbnail because it's eye-catching. So when the thing is that how you download it. So click on the share button on top and then click on download button and then download button again. And that's how you download it.